Welcome to My Style Media. This video is made for educational purposes and contains valuable original text commentary to encourage safer driving. By turning drivers' mistakes into lessons, we can all learn to make the road safer.
Oh, why you hitting me, bro?
What the f are you doing? You still f***ing asshole.
Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil. But because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
Nominated for an Oscar. It's a gauntlet of devotion that you have to do, and you know, just all over the whole thing. You know, just.